Go to Sheriff Mark Dannels now, Cochise County, Arizona, for reaction to what's happening not in Arizona, but in Texas with local authorities. This surprised us when it came in. Sheriff Dannels, your thoughts on what's happening in Texas?
Well, Connell, thanks for having me again. And this is a win for Texas, and it's a win for citizens in this country, because what Governor Abbott is doing is what the federal government's not doing, and that is border security and securing our country, securing and keeping safety for our citizens. So it's a win for Texas, but it's also a win for the country.
John Sandweg, who is the former acting director of ICE, he was there in the Obama years, was on with us earlier in the show, and as he was reacting to this, he told me, he says, you know what, I think it's going to happen. He said, I think you're going to see copycat laws, places like Arizona. What do you say?
Well, it sets a trend. There's no doubt about it. That was the pilot. Now it's going to grow from there. But this is a political fight. There's no doubt about it. It's being said, politicized, which is the saddest thing when you politicize public safety and the safety of our citizens. But what it also says is, why are we having this debate, Connell? And the reason we're having it is because this administration, 51% of Congress, has failed to secure the border. No doubt about it. The tragedies we're seeing in this country in communities throughout the United States continue to grow. It's only going to get worse. But instead of addressing that with Governor Abbott, I'm talking about the White House, sitting down with him and saying, hey, let's talk. The Congress doing their job. We're having these judicial debates. Shame on that. Shame on that.
Would you want, though, to have similar authority as a local law enforcement official in a different state?
I'll be honest with you, Connell. I've always said this. The federal government's job is to protect that border. It's an international border. But absent the federal government, at what point does the states like Governor Abbott and other governors and local law enforcement have to step in to protect their citizens? Because we're the ones who have to address it day in and day out in our communities. So if I had my choice, the answer is no. But we don't have a choice when the White House and this president, who's going to be in Arizona tonight,
yes,
no plans to come visit, no plan to come visit us down here, and we've invited him here to Cochise County with no response.
Why no? I know you say it's the federal government's job, but would this just be hard to enforce? Would it make it, to use some of the critics' terms, chaotic, or even the dissenting opinions of justices today, a chaotic situation? They said it would, Sonia Sotomayor and Justice Jackson said it would sow chaos. Is that what you're worried about? Or?
Well, we already have chaos. We already have crisis. We already have tragedy. So those words are simple to say at all levels and all political parties. The problem we're going to have, and this is what I would see here too, is you're taking allocated dollars from Cochise County. You're taking allocated dollars from the state of Arizona, which we're already talking about right now with our governor here in our state, doing the federal government's job. Why they turned their back, I called it for the last several years, intellectual avoidance and abandonment and the consequences. These are the intended consequences. Secure the border, enforce the rule of law under Title VIII, and we wouldn't have this problem.
All right, Sheriff Dannels, as always, thank you. Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.